Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh back with same chapter respiration. Let us learn about different organs of human respiratory system. Okay, so let us start from here. The respiratory system starts from nose and ends to lungs. Okay, different parts of lungs. Okay, so here in the nose there are two nostrils, left and right nostrils, and those nostrils opens into a cavity that is called nasal cavity. Okay, then that nasal cavity goes towards a region that is called pharynx, and in this pharynx there is one more part of our body that joins, that is the mouth cavity. So basically this is mouth opens into a cavity that is called mouth cavity, correct? And that mouth cavity also joins here that part of body's pharynx. So pharynx joins, in pharynx both cavity ends, both cavity joins to pharynx. What are those two cavities? Mouth cavity and nasal cavity. Okay, then another part, that is larynx, is here. Okay, so basically then larynx is the main one more part of the human respiratory system. In the larynx there is a flap, that is called, there is a opening found in larynx that is called glottis, and that glottis is covered by a flap that is called epiglottis. Okay, so when we take air through our nose, that air moves towards the nasal cavity then towards the larynx. Okay, so आपने जैसा देखा larynx के ठीक ऊपर there is a part that is called pharynx where both mouth and nasal cavity, both cavity joins. Okay, so whenever we take in food, during that time what happens, जो larynx के ऊपर glottis है opening, that opening is covered by epiglottis. Okay, so epiglottis covers the opening, that is glottis, whenever we take in foods, so that ki food should not enter in the respiratory system, otherwise it is dangerous, it would be dangerous if food will enter in the respiratory system. Okay, so finally this mouth cavity which joins pharynx, that there is one more tube like structure. In that structure the digestive system joins. Basically digestive system is having a food pipe, and the mouth cavity which joins here in pharynx joins to that cavity, that pipe, that tube like structure, that is called esophagus or food pipe, that we already learnt in our chapter 2. Okay, and here is larynx. So larynx is basically, it joins the, it connects the nasal cavity and lungs, different parts, trachea, windpipe. Okay, so basically this is the part of respiratory system, larynx. It is also called voice box. Larynx is also called voice box. This is voice box. Okay, so then this larynx further extends into, joins to a pipe-like structure that is called trachea or windpipe, and this windpipe or trachea is covered by a ring that is called cartilaginous ring. Okay, that protects it basically. Then further that trachea divides into two parts. Those are called bronchi. Singular is bronchus. Okay, so then further bronchus enter to each lung. Both bronchi enters to each lung, left and right lung. And further that bronchus divides into so many branches, just like the branches of tree. Lots of branches. One main branch, then further so many smaller branches. So those parts are called bronchioles. Further branches of bronchus is called bronchus. Understood? Then finally, after so many branches, these bronchioles ends into a balloon-like structure that is called alveoli. Correct? So alveoli is the basically it is the end point of bronchioles, and alveoli is having lots of blood capillaries, and here when gas oxygen reach here in the alveoli, there only further exchange of gases takes place, and that oxygen alveoli gives to the basically the blood capillaries receives takes oxygen from alveoli, and at the same time blood capillaries also give out carbon dioxide here. So carbon dioxide is in the same way removed out through our nose from alveoli to bronchioles, then bronchus, then windpipe, trachea, then nasal cavity, and finally through nose it removed out. Clear? So in this way respiration takes place, and these are the main organs of respiration. But this is not respiration, this is basically what? Breathing. So right now whatever we discussed about the different organ of human respiratory system, which kind of activity, what is taking place here? Basically breathing takes place here. So in next episode we'll discuss about mechanism of breathing. Now you look at the diagram.